Horses out, coming out into a sharp beginning. It's Ibarra by about 2 lengths. And in second, Tiwi Magic. Danori inside, Flamenco Misa. Then next in line, Muni Mani alongside Santeria. Best of Chumaya. Danori inside is Da Vinci Pierce Spider alongside. And going along for the first turn. Ibarra goes on by about 2.5 lengths. Flamenco Miss in second alongside 30 with Magic. Money Money is racing in fourth. Danori inside fifth. Da Vinci. Santeria, Fierce Fighter, and Best of Chumaya. They swing into the back. Ibarra setting up the tempo by about 3 lengths. Flamenco Miss moving up on the outside. TV Magic. Money Money is on the outside board. Best of Chumay, then followed by Fierce Spider, Santeria, and Da Vinci. And it's the Ibarra by about 3 lengths. And in second, still is TV Magic, Money Money alongside. Best of Chumay racing in fourth, Danori inside, Fierce Spider. As they come down to the last 200. And it's the Ibarra by about 6 lengths. Tiwi Magic remains in second. Money Money alongside. Last 100 meters. We've got Ibarra by about 7 lengths. And nearing the finish line, Ibarra has won the 2010 Piracom Garden 2. Second is number 1A, Tiwi Magic, Fierce Spider.